Hi there guys, this is a re-upload of the last video I did, the last After Effects video on how to make an intro. For some reason my mouse wasn't showing moving around, so I tried to fix that now. Sorry about that guys, I really don't know what happened there. Anyway, so we're just going to start off by going to composition and new composition. I'm just going to make this a HD settings, this one here. And I'm just going to make it about 10 seconds long, and I'm just going to click OK. And then we're going to go to, and there'll be a file link in the description, and it's a texture, but first off we're just going to go to layer new, solid, and I'm just going to make it a grey, this type of grey here, maybe a little bit darker, that type of grey, like that, and then I'm going to go to file, import, file, and then you can download this texture or whatever, and it's this one here, and okay. And when you drag it on, you're just going to take it to the middle. As you can see, when it gets to the middle, it just stops. And leave it, and then scroll out, and you can just bring it in. So this part here is left out. Yeah. Do something like that. Now I'm just going to zoom back in, and then you're going to go up here and choose this tool. And if I click and hold down and choose the ellipse tool, and I'm just going to take out about that much, and then you go down to the mask, and I'm just going to fade it out, feather it out, sorry, where it says mask feather. And I'm going to lock the background. So we have this sort of thing here. Actually, I'm going to change the colour of this, and I'm just going to delete it now, and then I'll create a new one. Layer, new, solid, and I'm actually going to make it a black. The grey is not really working out, so use black and then drag it underneath the texture, like so. So you get this really smart looking thing here. I'm just going to choose the text tool now, and I'm going to make it font. I'm going to choose Birth of a Hero. You can download these fonts from dafont.com. Go check them out. There'll be a link underneath the video. So I'm just going to write my name. Oh, I spelled my name wrong. And then I'm just going to take it over. I'm just going to change the colour to maybe a white. Yeah, just white. Stands out quite a bit. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's not looking bad. So then after that, you're going to go and lock both the texture and the black solid. And once on this, you're going to choose this. Well, sorry, actually, no, you're not. You're going to get this tool here, the pan behind tool. And see this little like thing here? You're just going to take it to the middle. It might be down the bottom, it might be at whatever, but you're just going to take it to the middle. And this will just determine, it'll just, I can't really describe it, like where the movement just works for it. And you're going to choose make it 3D, and you're going to click on it and choose P for position. And when it's 3D, you'll have this action on the end here. And you're going to click the stopwatch, and I'm going to drag this by holding Shift to make it move faster. I'm going to drag this up, and then when it gets quite close, I'm just going to let go of Shift and move it up. So it comes off the screen. Like so. And then I'm just going to drag about half a second. And then I'm going to double click on the last one again that you just edited and choose Naught. So now this will obviously be quicker, but in less than half a second, oh, it's just stopped. It will fly in, and for some reason it's not playing it, but it will fly in from there to there really quick. And then so I just play this for you now. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my After Effects, it's a bit mucked, but I just play it over and over again. Oh, what happened there? Sorry guys. So it'll look like that. It flies in pretty fast, and as you can see, it doesn't look really how can I describe it? Sort of natural. So I'm just going to choose this blur here and this blur here. So now if I just bring this back again and I just click play over, as you can see, it uses a blur to look like when it's moving. So it just gives it a bit more characteristic. And then I'm just going to take it to about the 2 seconds mark, and I'm just going to move it down a bit, to about 70. And then when it's playing, it's going to obviously move down, like so. But as you can see here, it's moving forward for the next keyframe. That shouldn't do that. So I'm just going to right click on this keyframe here, and I'm going to choose the keyframe input per law, whatever that is. See that one there? Well, that one, I'm just going to click it. And I'm making sure it's set to linear. And I'm going to do it again for this one, keyframe whatever, and where it says here auto whatever, you're just going to choose linear. So make sure that one and that one is linear, and if I play it back now, as you can see, it goes down. Oh, it's done it again. Sorry about that, I really don't know why that's just done that. It's not this one, is it? No, it's not. Oh. Yeah, right click, keyframe. Oh yeah, linear. Sorry, I looked at the wrong one. Yeah, make sure they're both linear here. And then if I play it now, it should do it. As you can see, it's moving back slowly. Well, it'll be quicker than that. And then, as you can see, it doesn't come forward. And then if we take it to about here, I'm just going to hold shift. I'm just going to drag out like that. As you can see, it's just moving away now. And it just doesn't look right. You know, it's not fading away. I'm just going to take this keyframe a bit further. So we can just get rid of this, and if you just press this down here, it should open up one for the transform. And I'm going to choose the opacity. Now I take it to this keyframe right here. That's the one. I'm going to take, so the opacity is on 100, so I'm going to click the stopwatch. And I'm going to take it to the second keyframe, and I'm going to take the opacity down to 0. So now, when it flies out, the opacity goes down and it fades away. So after that, you can just click this back and click Control and D to copy another layer. And then if we just click down, we can just find where the keyframes are. So we can drag this to the end of here to end it. And then on the next one, we can choose where we're going to. Oh, I got the wrong thing to choose. Make sure your little thing selection tools chose. And I'm just going to take it to about here. And then also, for some reason, we're going to drag this down quite a bit. And then we can get it. So, as you can see, it overlaps. But you don't want it saying the same thing, obviously, so make sure it's all fitted in. And then get the text tool again, and you can change it. I'm just going to take mine to presents. And then I'm just going to click it so it goes into place by just pressing space, or you can do whatever you want. But I'm just going to have mine so it's in the middle, so then when that fades out, the next one comes in. So there, say that's what I want my intro to be. It will follow the same things because we duplicated it, and it'll use the same whatever, and then it'll fly out. So say you're happy with it now. All you have to do is just take this little thing here, the work area end, and I'm just going to drag it to the end of where the thing finished. I'm just going to leave it about a little bit longer. And then when I finish, I'm going to come up to composition, add to render queue, and then it will take it to here. And if you choose the output mode to lossless, render settings to best, and then the output you can choose wherever you want. I'm choosing mine to my desktop. I'm just going to click render. As you can see, it'll start rendering the video now, and once it's finished, it will end up on my desktop here. There we are. See how it's popped up there? Hasn't rendered, but when it finishes, it will make a little noise, like a blip. I can't really describe it. Sorry about that. But anyway, it will make a noise, and it will tell you when it's finished rendering. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. I'd hope you please subscribe, need more subscribers. Anyway guys, peace out.